really scary, guys. I wouldn't do it if I was you.
Day 2, living in a camper van, just woken up, got my camper van pillow. I slept okay, to be honest, given I was, yeah. What about you? How do you sleep, baby?
I'm still sleeping.
You're still sleeping. It did get a bit hot. It's not a particularly sunny day, but it is quite hot in here. We're fortunate there's AC coming out the back of our camper van. The first camper van we did look at, well, nearly bought actually, didn't have any AC in, so I'm overall quite glad we now got one with AC. Had to wake up, quickly whack it on just to cool it down a bit. So yes, I am wearing the exact same outfit as the night before. You know, dirty stopover, I guess. It was just what was quickly to hand when I got dressed this morning. I need to go clean my teeth. So we did just sneak back into the hostel that we stayed in last night because it was nearby. Clean our teeth, use the toilet. I also had a cup of tea. Stopped off at Woolworths, got some supplies, got some pasta, got some tins of tomatoes, got some fresh basil, gonna make some pasta and pesto for dinner tonight. Change my top. Now we're off to get some lunch. I think we're gonna get a burger. Got a chicken burger for lunch. Paul's got a spicy chicken burger for lunch. Not too bad. Both burgers cost around $32, so that's both of us having lunch for £15, give or take, £14. Let's crack on. Should be much better than the food in the van. I'm joking, great cook, van life, pan life. Apparently her hair's not done, so she doesn't want to do this video.
I've only got a plait on this side.
So, we've just had lunch and we've got an hour and a half drive till we reach the campsite. So let's go. Forgot to vlog this bit, but I just made my first dinner in the camper van. Little pan, got a Paris there. We have tomato soup, homemade, with a couple of toasted bagels, toasted in olive oil because we don't have a fridge, so we have no butter, but you know, still nice and warm. This is our first campsite and these are our first campsite toilets, which not, you know, I guess not something to discuss in civil company, but you know, how do you...
Just don't look down.
Apparently it's pretty grim. I read online they apparently drop toilets, which just means, oh my goodness. Yeah, just goes down and down forever. Ooh, awful. Would not want to fall in there.
It's really scary, guys. I wouldn't do it if I was you. Go home, use your mum's toilet.
I didn't think the toilet was too bad. I thought it was fine, but Paris seems to be traumatised by the idea of a drop toilet. It's actually really clean, but
it's just so far down and monsters could just pull you into the toilet and you're gone forever and you could die.
So far I've been hesitant about the claustrophobia of the van and Paris is scared of a toilet. It's going well. It almost goes without saying, but we were a bit silly and the sun went down and we still weren't all packed up. So we had to do the washing up by phone light, draining our batteries unnecessarily, and now clean our teeth by phone light as well. So lesson learned, and from now on we're going to have dinner slightly earlier and be a bit more in line with our natural circadian rhythms and be up when the sun goes up and be asleep when the sun goes down, because neither of us are particularly tired now. It's about 9:30. So the only thing we've got to do, other than stand in a dark field and be surrounded by flies, is be in the camper van with, you know, Netflix on. As well as it just been annoying having to wash up with the lights on. The other big downside is, of course, the flies start attacking because you're the only source of light nearby. Now, we were fortunate in the sense we had bought some fly killer, so glad we had this. Here's a tip: if you're coming to do this, get some fly killer so we can just quickly spray inside the car. And we do have a mosquito net up just here, so yeah, that will stop most of them getting in. But you know, like that's one, I don't want that in there. Gone now. Right, night guys.
Night. We just went outside and saw some beautiful stars.
Yeah, so where there's no light pollution here whatsoever really, the stars are absolutely beautiful and we're very lucky to be able to see them.